I only got 3 bolts holding this one. The nut came off and left that in there, so I had to get some monkey grips to get that out. So this one's screwed. Okay, so I'm just going to lower it. I'll just lower it stage by stage. Just back onto the stands. Whoop. Nice and slow. I got that camera rolling too. What do you reckon? Lowered by 2.5 inches, sitting good. Yeah, time to tackle the front. I just watched the Shiny Fast and Loud YouTube video again on how to do the front springs, coil spring compressors, 2 of those. So my initial thought was to apply the clamps, but I might be able to just cut it while it was on there. I don't know if you can get up in there and see. He cut it 4, so if I was cutting 4, I'd be looking at not that one, 1, 2, 3, be cutting there. Yeah, so I've got the spring compressor on there. I've just put 1. I don't think I can really get the second one on, and it's probably just overkill. So now I think I need to remove those bolts, and the top bit, I'll just double check. I'll watch that video again and just make sure I'm removing the right stuff. Might spray these up with a bit of WD-40 first and pull it out. I'm going to spray these bolts up a bit. I'm just going to lower it on the stand. Oh. Nice and easy. Oh shit. 10mm socket. And then these bolts here, and then the whole kit and caboodle should come out. There we go. Oh yeah, yes, got one. Bloody got one. Haha, that's cool. The weight's off the spring. Yes, the suspension's out. There's the left-hand side. And over there's the right hand side. So I'm just going to compare it to what old mate had, shiny fast loud. Count the number of springs that I've got, or coils, and if it's the same as his, do what he says and cut 4 off. Just some 80 grit. Just went over the bonnet again. Just to get that layer of rust that's starting to form over it. Just wanted to see. Yeah, because I'm going to have a crack at the black stripes. Yeah, I just need to see what it looks like. Because if it works on the front, then it should work on the roof and the boot. And I'm just too impatient, so I'm going to go for it. Just going to put some anchor wax on. Now, yeah, so I sanded it, rubbed it back, just to get the dust off it, degreased it, and then just polished it up with a clean cloth. Yeah, mate? This kid just ate at half an hour ago.
I'm hungry.
Get some more pasta, mate.
Yeah.
It's just on the kitchen table. Well, that was easy. See the Audi? Unfortunately, it's not mine. It's my partner's. She's gone away for a while, so I'm keeping the car here. But I did encourage her to buy it. I've always liked the shape of the A5. It's nice, isn't it? Just needs wheels on it. I'm tempted just to put some wheels on it when she's away. What do you reckon? It's just the 1.2 litre. It's not quattro, it's front wheel drive, 2 litre turbo. No, it's not a beautiful looking car. I mean, it doesn't have huge amounts of power, but it's basically 2 different cars. If you drive it around an automatic, it's got like an 8-speed or 7-speed short shift, so it just glides. And it's obviously just trying to be as fuel efficient as it can be. But if you put it in manual mode, it shifts pretty quickly. I mean, it's no like flappy panel PDK or anything like that, but it shifts fast enough to have a bit of fun. And if you rev it up, it's quite sprightly. Yeah, it's got the tan interior, and the black interior is better, but yeah, it's actually really due for a service, so I'm going to get it serviced for her. And it seems to be grabbing on I think it's the right-hand front. Rotor seems to grab. When it's cold, when you first take off, it feels like it's just grabbing. So I'm going to get them to take a look at that as well. And yeah, might drive it around a bit. Put some sneaky wheels on it. Back to where I was, I'm going to anchor wax the bonnet. When that's dried, plasti dip some stripes on the front. 2 big stripes going from here, this is what I'm thinking, along the big muscly bonnet line. Oh man, just trying to do some bloody cars off children. And then go along here, and then go back on there. Here's the precious, the anchor wax. Hopefully I've got enough still to do the whole car. I think I do. You don't need much. Yeah. Oh yeah, the other thing, I don't have any paintbrushes, but I'm too impatient to wait till tomorrow till I can go to Super Cheap Auto Barns. So I'm going to apply it. I'm going to apply it with a sponge. From what I can recall, it goes on so easily, and then you kind of want to streak it off anyway. So I'm thinking the sponge might be good. Anyway, we'll see. Yeah, so I've got the anchor wax on. So where's the? I threw it out. Yeah. So I just put it on with this and just swirled it around just little bits at a time. You don't need much at all until it was covered. And I actually thought I made a video of this, but I forgot to hit fucking record. So it was like 5 minutes of this. But then I found the best way to kind of get it looking neat is just once you've got it all on, just start, once it's starting to dry, well, pretty much straight away, just doing lines, following the line of the car down. Yeah, you can see there it hasn't gone too much. Oh, not good enough. Yeah, before it gets too sticky, and then I'm ditching that, and now I'm just going to clean one. And I'm thinking if I just, because now it's almost dry. I tried using a microfiber on it last time I did it, but it stuck to the microfiber cloth. And I'm really only just worried about the sides mostly, just because the middle's going to be covered with black plastic dip. I will do it, but I just want to... It's not coming up. I am. So, there we go. Let's clean that up. Yeah, I think it's pretty good.